people production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know we say health over wealth. Yeah man, say you don't know. Big bust. Big scam bus, drug bus. Every bus. And on the bus where you take, you know. And the bus where the police them go on with. So you see them 3 police here after the break.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Yes, my kings and queen, lion and lioness, welcome back. You don't know. Right now, in Jamaica, the 3 police them. You remember the 3 police them that got caught in America? Well, 4 of them. Zine, 2 men, 2 women, all cops. They bring up the drugs from Jamaica to America. When them should have them America serve Jamaica, the country, Jamaica citizens them fly out. Well, they are squealing. They are squealing like they like what Syrupy would have said. See? You must squeal. The one in America squeal and the one in Jamaica squeal. The lady of Jamaica. And right now the man them running pan Mobay. See? Watch what go on.
7 men suspected of being part of the illegal drug trade were arrested in a major security operation led by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Division CTOC in St. James yesterday. Law enforcement teams carried out operations in the communities of Rhine Park, Westgate, Granville, Mount Salem, Catherine Mount, and Flanker. CVM Live understands that operatives from U.S. law enforcement were also on the ground observing the operation. Among the suspects detained are members of a major transnational drug trafficking syndicate, suspected to be behind the illegal export of large quantities of dangerous drugs to the United States and Europe. Some of the men detained are believed to be connected to 3 Jamaican police who were arrested in the United States last week after they were held smuggling a quantity of cocaine. Constables Jamar Graham, Trevon Davidson, and Charmaine Latoya Gooden are facing the U.S. courts on drug charges. Gooden and Davidson were arrested on June 19 when they arrived in Atlanta on a flight from Montego Bay, St. James. A large cache of electronic devices, cash in both foreign and local currencies, with a value in excess of Jamaican $1.2 million, a BMW X6 motorcar, as well as a licensed firearm were seized in line with ongoing investigations. CVM Live will continue to monitor this story.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, want to see what go on. Eh? That is a big bus for the police them. I mean the numbers are not enough. You know, but at least them hold on some of them. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know them go off of strong information and intelligence. You know what I mean? So them grab them off, even a car, big Benz car suck off with a gun, find a gun in the car and huge amount of money. And it stop this so more people go get grabbed off. See? So that's how you go. You know what I mean? Yes. Police in my work and American police in my work. Watch that one you know. Yeah. Kiss me kaka clot. Kumelan. Kuweed. Boy, them people this look like a you know, somewhere in America. It'll go cross in America from Mexico or something like that. You see me? But what a whole heap of drugs, man. Arizona weed are going in America. In the corona time, them people here, sorry for them. They got busted 3 o'clock in the morning. Where you go? You see me with the truck there? You don't get busted, my viewers and subscribers. You see me, I have to laugh, you know. Yeah, cause I saw it go. Who can hear it, what? Fail. You see me? Yeah, but I know that he never reach in America. Remember me tell them, man, I'm rich. Kumelan. I know all of them melon they having drugs in them. You see me? I go to all mine shop and no weed alone. You see it? I don't know my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know. Work with the police, them, forget out there. Yeah, man. The wrong elements, them, you know. The bad elements, them. We need a better Jamaica, safer Jamaica. Stop the crime. You know what I mean? And maybe next topic we can talk about, you know. Do we Jamaica need back a Renata Adams? But I'm going to do that in a separate vlog because people are asking me the question. And I say, you have to raise that topic there. See? So I don't know if I have to require with the fans them need and ask for. Yeah. So big up Jamaica, big up the whole world, big up all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. Stay safe out there. Yeah, man. A lion foot in I'm out.
Lion Foot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell or click the bell.